अस्सलाम वालेकुम ग्रेड 6। अच्छा, हम अपना यूनिट 2 स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं आज। ठीक है, पेज नंबर 15। डेट लिखें, रीडिंग लिखें और मैं रीडिंग करती हूँ तो साथ साथ इसको अंडरलाइन करना जो वर्ड्स आप लोग को समझ ना आए। रैंसम का मतलब होता है द रैंसम ऑफ रेड चीफ। रैंसम का मतलब होता है तावान देना किसी चीज़ का। ठीक है, ओके लेट्स स्टार्ट। वी वर डाउन साउथ in Alabama. Bill Driscoll and myself with this kidnapping idea struck us. Bill and me had about $600 and we needed just $2,000 more to buy some land in western Illinois. We figured that family love is strongest in semi-rural communities and decided to do our kidnapping in Summit, a small town. We selected for our victim the only child of the prominent citizen named Ebenezer Dorset. Mr. Dorset was known for his wealth, which we made from lending mortgages and making foreclosures. The kid was a boy of 10, with freckles and bright red hair. Bill and me figured that Ebenezer would agree to pay a ransom of $2,000. But wait till I tell you what happened. About 2 miles from Summit was a little tree-covered mountain. On the near slope of this mountain was a cave. There were stored provisions. One evening we drove in a buggy past old Dorset's house. The kid was in the street throwing rocks at a kitten on the opposite fence. "Hey," says Bill, "would you like some candy?" The boy threw a piece of brick at Bill's head. That boy put up a fight, but eventually we got him in the buggy and drove up the cave. After that, I drove the buggy back to the village I had hired it in and walked back. Bill was examining and treating the scratches and bruises on his face and leg. There was a fire burning in the cave, and the boy was sitting by it with two buzzard feathers stuck in his red hair. He points a stick at me and says, "Ah, cursed pale-face, do you dare to enter Red Chief's camp?" "He's all right now," says Bill. "We are playing Red Indian. I'm old hunk. Red Chief's captive, and I am to be scalped at daybreak. Ouch, that kid can kick hard." That boy seemed very happy. The fun of camping out had made him forget that he was a captive. He immediately named me Snake Eye the Spy and announced that I was meat my end the next day. Then we had supper and he filled his mouth full of meat, bread and gravy and talked. His speech went something like this: "I never camped out before. It is fun, but I had a pet once. I was 9 like last birthday. Are there any real red Indians in these woods? I want some more gravy. Do the moving trees make the wind blow?" अब ये एक ऐसी स्टोरी है, इसमें उन्होंने बताया है कि एक बच्चे को वो उठा कर ले आए हैं अपने पास केव में, और वो जो किड है वो अजीब तरह से बिहेव कर रहा है। ठीक है, कह रहा है कि मेरे पास एक पेट था और वो बिल्कुल डर भी नहीं रहा, वो आराम से बैठा हुआ है, खाना भी खा रहा है बहुत अच्छे तरीके से। और ये जो जिन्होंने उससे वो किया है, किडनैप किया है, वो हैरान है कि ये बच्चा डर नहीं रहा, रो नहीं रहा, जैसे यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है। That boy seemed very happy. The fun of camping out had made him forget that he was a captive. Captive का मतलब कैदी। जैसे वो देख के सब बहुत खुश हो रहा था और उसे ये नहीं पता था कि वो कैद में है। ठीक है, फिर वो कहते हैं कि मैंने इस तरह का कैंप कभी पहले नहीं किया, मुझे बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है यहाँ पे। मेरे पास एक पेट होता था जब मेरी 9th बर्थडे थी। तो यहाँ पे रेड इंडियंस हैं क्या इस जो जंगल है? मुझे कुछ और ग्रेवी दे दें। मतलब लाइक वो रैंडम बातें कर रहा था, जनरल बातें कर रहा था। देन वी हैड 5 puppies. What makes your nose so red, hunk? My father has lots of money. The stars hot. Do oxen make any noise? Why are oranges round? A parrot can talk, but a money or a fish can't. Every few minutes he would remember that he was Red Indian and would let out a war that made old Hunk shiver. That boy had built terrorized from the start. I says, kid, would you like to go home? Oh, what for? Says he. I don't have any fun at home. I hate school. I like camping. You won't take me home, स्नेक आई विल यू. अब वो उसका नाम उसने स्नेक आई रख दिया, ठीक है. वो उससे पूछते हैं तुम्हें क्या घर जाना है, तो कहता नहीं मुझे घर नहीं जाना, मुझे यहाँ पे ही मज़ा आ रहा है, मुझे स्कूल जाना बुरा लगता है, मुझे कैंपिंग पसंद है, मैं यहाँ पे बहुत खुश हूँ. Not right away, says. Yea, says he, I never had such fun in all my life. At about 11 o'clock, we spread down some white blankets and went to bed. Red Chief kept us awake for 3 hours, jumping up and reaching for his rifle and screeching in our ears as each crackle of the twig and the rustle of the leaf made him imagine that outlaws were approaching at last. I fell into a troubled sleep and dreamed that I had been kidnapped and chained to a tree by a ferocious pirate with red hair. Just at daybreak, I was awakened by awful screams from Bill. I jumped up to see what the matter was. Red Chief was sitting on Bill's chest, holding him by the hair in his other hand. In his other hand, he had the sharp knife, and he was seriously trying to take Bill's scalp, as he had promised the evening before. ठीक है. अच्छा, यहाँ बिफोर तक आप लोग मार्क करें. कल हम बाकी जो इसके रिमेनिंग 3 पेजेस होंगे वो हम कल ख़त्म करेंगे, ठीक है. आपने इसको इवनिंग बिफोर तक मार्क करना है और यहाँ से हम आगे रीडिंग स्टार्ट करेंगे. तो सो फार हमने क्या पढ़ा इसमें कि जो वो था ना, वो ख्वाब में देखता है, बहुत अजीब सा वो ख्वाब देखता है, और जब वो सो के उठता है तो देखता है वो बच्चा जो उसका दूसरा पार्टनर है, फ्रेंड है, उसके ऊपर बैठा हुआ है और नाइफ़ से, छुरी से वो कुछ उसके ऊपर हिट कर रहा है, उससे कुछ कर रहा है, ठीक है. अब आगे चल के हम देखते हैं कि इसमें फ़र्दर क्या होता है, इस स्टोरी में इसका एंड क्या होता है, ठीक है. आप लोगों ने यहाँ तक, जहाँ तक मैंने रीड किया, आप लोगों ने रीड आउट करना है इसे, और फिर हम कल इसको बाकी का हम स्टार्ट करेंगे, ठीक है. ग्रेड 6. ओके, थैंक यू. अल्लाह हाफिज़.